you a Leicester home improvement business owner struggling to attract clients? Do you find it hard to create compelling copy and blog content that resonates with your target audience? The goal of your copy is to persuade potential customers to choose your business over the competition. Here are some tips to help you achieve that. Know your audience. Understand your target audience and their pain points. This will help you create copy that speaks directly to their needs. Use persuasive language. Use words and phrases that persuade people to take action. Highlight your USP, your unique selling proposition. USP is what sets your business apart from the competition. Blogging is a great way to attract potential customers to your website and establish yourself as an authority in the home improvement industry. Here are some tips for creating engaging blog content. Identify your target keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify the keywords and phrases your target audience is searching for. Write informative content. Write informative posts that answer common questions and provide solutions to common problems. Use visuals. Use images and videos to break up text and make your blog posts more visually appealing. Writing compelling copy and creating engaging blog content is essential to growing your Leicester home improvement business. Thanks for watching. For more tips on growing your Leicester home improvement business, visit our website or contact us today.